Hey guys, it's Luran here and welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I want to do a quick overview of one stock that I'm looking to trade. Actually, I already took a position in this stock last week, I think Friday. I started building my position, and that stock is Tesla. Most of you know Tesla's been on a correction since actually late January, and the stock is currently in that 40% range of a pullback. Now this stock is no stranger to pulling back between 30 to 40% once it goes through those massive runs. And as you can see here, back in November of last year, Tesla went on one of its largest breakout. I think it went up 104% from the last triangle breakout. And as you guys know, I trade mostly wedges and triangles. So that's most of these tech stocks, these high growth stocks, that's the pattern that most of them would go through as they rise higher, and Tesla is no stranger to that. So as I said, right now Tesla is pulling back. Let me measure here. Today it's the 8th of March 2021, and Tesla is down 40%. As of today, it's 38%, but I think it'll come back and test this level. Now you can see here, Tesla already made its resistance line known. You see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connection points on the resistance line. So that's basically giving you, that's a giveaway more or less as to what the resistance line will be. Now to the bottom side, I already did my calculation, and this is the angle in which Tesla will be rising higher. I mean, this can go a little lower than this line, but this is the angle in which it will be moving a little higher. So like I said, I already started building position. As you guys know, I'm mostly an option trader, but I already took a lot of stock trading position in Tesla. The upside is tremendous, guys. Even if this thing comes down a little bit more, I'll be adding more to my position. Again, I'm not entering any options position. These are strictly stock position. So I'm trading the actual stock. Now to the upside, when this thing started to move to the upside, you can easily get 50 to 70% return on your investment within the next, I'm talking about 30 to 60 days, next 6 months, let's put it that way. So if you have some money that you're sitting on and you want to know where to put that money, where you can get that return, 40, 50% return on your money, this is where I'm putting my money. So you guys decide where you'll make that call. But this is the video I wanted, this is the stock I wanted to talk about in this video. It's Tesla. Tesla's breaking down almost 40%. This is a discount, guys. A lot of people like to jump into stocks when they're breaking out higher. I know a lot of people were buying up here. I had a couple of friends who were texting me, and one of them even called me back in January when the stock was at all-time highs, almost 900 bucks. And they were asking me, Luran, should we buy Tesla now? I say, I don't want to use the word that I used to him, but I was kind of screaming, like, why do you want to buy Tesla at all-time highs? You don't do that. I said, you be patient, wait for another month or two, and then you'll get exactly the perfect entry that you want to be entering this stock at. And now is the time, guys. Now you want to start adding to the position. Now, you'll never get the absolute bottom of a stock. Always remember that. If you're ever waiting for that absolute bottom, you might miss the bottom, and you might be entering when the stock is breaking out, going back to the upside. So you always want to build that position as the stock falls, within, based on its history. If you go back here, this is Tesla again here. This is 35%, guys. The stock falls 30%, you start building a position. At the end of the day here, 35%, you build a position, then you write it up. You close your eyes and forget about it. This stock went down 65%. That was the pandemic crash of 2020. 65% this stock had crashed. As the stock falls, you build a position, guys. You'll never get the absolute bottom. And if you go back all the way to the inception of this company, this stock is just a beauty. Just loves to form wedges. Look, if I measure from the peak to the bottom there, it's 41%. What happens next? The stock rose all the way up 123% in 96 days. And that's back in 2013. That's 14. This is 2015. This is 2015 again. So this stock is a wedging machine. That's, like I said, that's how the stock rise, falls, forms a wedge, moves higher. Now the catalyst for this stock going back higher, it's numerous. I wouldn't get into that in this video. This is purely a technical analysis video. I wanted to show you guys and let you guys know this is the perfect entry points to start building positions to the upside for Tesla. Now, in terms of catalysts, I'll just mention a few. This stock, obviously, it's in the S&P 500 now. So when it entered the S&P 500 right here on, let me put the volume on. You see this large volume of 222 million. That's where all the fund managers that has investment in the S&P 500, that's where they bought the funds. So all your 401k, if you're in Canada, the RRSP and all their big pension funds, that's where they bought up Tesla. So right now this stock is way below where those funds bought up Tesla. So they bought it here, it went up, now they're selling. This stock is in a distribution mode or phase. So they made money from here. When they bought the stock back in December 18 of last year, the stock went up 35%. So now they're distributing, they're selling it, they're making some money. So the stock will bottom somewhere here and then the stock will rise again. It's inevitable, guys. It will rise. In the next month or two or even 3 months, Tesla will be testing all-time highs again of $800 to $900. So again, this is the time you want to start building your position. Like I said, even if it drops further, which I don't believe it will, but even if it goes further, you buy more, you add more to your position because it will reverse. A lot of people I know have a hard time getting into stocks when it's going lower, but they have no problem getting into stocks when it's at all-time highs and about to crash. No, now's the time when everyone is scared. That's the time when you get in. And you guys just see me dial back all the way back to 2013, showing you exactly how this stock, forms the wedge and then breaks to the upside. Warren Buffett has a famous quote. Warren Buffett once said, "The rear view mirror is always clearer than your windshield." Meaning, if you look back, you'll have all the answers that you're looking for when it comes to investing, when it comes to trading, all that type of great stuff. Because you don't know what's going on in front of you, but you can tell what's going on behind. So when you look behind, you see exactly how the stock behaves. And then you can predict the future behavior. So I'm telling you guys right now, this is one of the hottest stock in the market, and it's down 40%. It's on sale. Let's put it that way. So that concludes this video, guys. I just wanted to do a quick one for you guys to let you guys know exactly what I'm looking at right now. Now, once the stock starts to move higher and comes back to my favorite pattern, then I'll be entering some option positions. So that will be leading up to its earnings and then the breakout out of the wedge. So right now I'm not doing any options. It's strictly stocks I'm buying. And like I said, I bought some on Friday. And then today, the end of the day today, I'll be buying some more to the upside. So that's it, guys. And remember, guys, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, smash that like button. Leave me a comment below if you have any question regarding trading options, and just investing generally into the stock market. So until next time, guys, take care.